Hello and welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is me again, Mary, and today I'll be talking about work. But I'll be talking about work being the antidote of poverty by reciting a poem in Yoruba written by J.F Odunjo. Iṣẹ́ lògùn ìṣẹ́, múra síṣẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Iṣẹ́ la fi ń dẹni gíga, bí a kò bá rẹ́ni fẹ̀yìntì, bí ọ̀lẹ là á rí. Bí a kò bá rẹ́ni gbẹ́kẹ̀lé, á tẹra mọ́ṣẹ́ ẹni. Ìyá rẹ lè lówó lọ́wọ́, kí bàbá lẹ́ṣin lẹ́kan. Bó o bá gbójúlé wọn, ó tẹ́tán ni mo sọ fún ọ. Ohun tí a kò bá fara ṣiṣẹ́ fún, ṣé kì í pẹ́ lọ́wọ́? Ohun tí a bá fara ṣiṣẹ́ fún, ní pẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹni. Apálára, ìgúnpá níye kan. Báyé bá ń fẹ́ ẹ lónìí, bó o bá lówó lọ́wọ́, ayé á máa fẹ́ ọ lọ́la. Àbí kó o wà nípò àtàtà, ayé á máa yẹ́ ọ sí tẹ̀rín tẹ̀rín. Jẹ́ kí o di ẹni tó rágó, ayé á máa yínmú sí ọ. Ẹ̀kọ́ sì ń sọ ní dọ̀gá. Múra kí o kọ́ dáradára. Bí o sì rọ́pò ènìyàn tó ń fẹ̀kọ́ ṣẹ̀rínrín, dákun má farawé wọn. Ìyà ń bọ̀ fọ́mọ tí kò gbọ́n, ẹkún ń bẹ fọ́mọ tí ń sá kiri. Má fòwúrọ̀ ṣeré ọ̀rẹ́ mi, múra síṣẹ́ ọjọ́ ń lọ. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a very important poem that describes the value of hard work and diligence. We should teach this poem to our children. There is the English translation with the poem down below in the description box. This value of diligence and hard work is a very important part of becoming the best version of ourselves. For one to become better and better, there is a lot of work to be done, both internal work and also external work. And so diligence is part of our values to becoming the best version of ourselves. That is what this channel is all about, creating the best version of ourselves, which will involve healing, growth, transformation, and positive change. I wish you a blessed work week. And I'll see you again sometime soon.